Take a ride in the 2017 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.